How to fix PayPal login error. Firstly, make sure that you have a good internet connection. Go to your Wi-Fi connection and check your network. If your current network is lagging, then switch to a different one or mobile data. If you have updated your mobile number or email recently, PayPal may not recognize the old one. So make sure that you are entering the same email or the correct country code. Check for any kind of typos in the password. If you are unsure of the password, then tap Forgot Password or try resetting using your email or phone number. Once you do that, then try to log in again. If you are using the PayPal app and not the website, then make sure to clear your cache. Open Settings and go to Apps. Now search for the PayPal app. PayPal app is not available on my device, so I'm just gonna give you an example of a random app. Go to your app info and scroll down. Select Storage and click on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Also, try to look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. Open Play Store or App Store and search for the app. If there are any updates available, click on the update option to update the app. That's all for today. Thank you.